This is get my finger out the way here. This is a survey that I'm taking, right? So for those of you that seen the deck project when I started it, I'm redoing this entire deck. So I'm getting rid of this all this old cheap wood and replacing it with Trex. So got my Trex over here, which is that composite deck. It lasts a lifetime. So anyway, I was looking at it today, talking to my brethren, and I just want to give you an idea how the deck looks. So this is the wood that I removed already, and then this was all railing, right? And as you can see over there, it's all railing over there for the deck. It's a 3-tier deck. So you have this deck, you have the second tier, right here, and then you have the upper tier that goes to the back door. So anyway, and then we have, of course, we have stairs over here. All right. So let me give you the long view or the extended view of the deck. So this is how the deck looks right now. Keep putting my finger on this side. Sorry. Anyway, so this is how the deck looks right now. All right. So we were talking, and I was like, I like the openness of the deck. All right. So if I take, look, that's the only thing about spring, the bugs come out, fly in your eye and everything. So anyway, all right, back to the subject. So this is how the deck will look without a railing. So what I am thinking is just get rid of the railings completely, right? And then you see where it's low right on this side, you're looking on that side right there, it's low, right? And then it starts to get a little bit of height as it goes here, right? And then as we go around to the other side, so I have a stairs right here, and then I have this ledge, and then I have another stairs right here, and then this is just under the deck where I keep my deck boxes, my storage boxes. So what I am thinking is I can get rid of all the railings, leave it as an open deck, right? Follow me now. Follow me. And then you see where the gap is under the house? I would put stairs all the way down. So all you have to do is just walk off the deck, right? Basically just walk off the deck into the yard. So it gives it an open feeling. So it's like from, and then of course the railings up top would definitely keep the railings up top because that's a higher level. Like people can actually fall off of that. But I feel like if I did stairs, like, gradual stairs from this corner right here, right? Stairs, small steps coming down, steps coming down, steps coming down, right? Matched up with the stairs right here, and then same thing on this side now. Put, matching stairs. So stairs at the corner right there, and then stairs going down. So I feel like it really opens it up to the yard, right? So let me go up top so you guys can see what I'm talking about as far as the openness. All right, so from this side you can see how it look. So I just took the railings down off this side, right? And you see how it look? It just open it up to the yard, right? I feel like when they build this deck, it's just people are so used to having that railing, but I feel like if I put stairs there, sorry, bugs. If I put stairs there, then I really don't need the railings, And of course, I'm keeping my trellis. Let me see if I can zoom out there, but this is my trellis that has my grapes on it, my grapevine on it. Hasn't started growing back yet, but my grapes are on that, so I'm gonna keep that. And then let me go up to the next tier. This is the next tier. So this is the highest tier, but then this is looking out into the rest of the deck, right? So of course, as I'm gonna say, get rid of all this railing and just put stairs going into the yard. And I feel like that would really open up the deck, you know. And it right now it's kind of limited in, you know, like before I took down this railing, I had to walk. I only had three options to get into the backyard. So it would be that stairs, and then there's an opening right here where I just removed the railing from. So there was just a walkway that you can see. So you see where the walkway is right there? There was a railing right there that ran all the way around to this deck. But I feel like if I get rid of all these railings, that would really just open up the yard, you know? Yeah. So you can just, from here, right? If I need to go to any part of the yard, I don't have to go through this little channel right there. So if I get to any part of the yard, no, I can just walk off into the yard, you know? And once I drop my little stairs right here, right? You just walk down. And from here, stairs, walk down. Same thing. Stairs, and here, stairs. Just stairs all the way down. And you just can walk down to the yard. So yeah, I need all my subscribers, I need your opinion. Tell me what you guys think I should do. Granted, the ultimate decision is up to me. Let me show you again from a different angle, right? Sorry about the finger again. This dual camera thing, you know, the camera's on my left side, so every time I reach for the phone, I put my hand over it. Sorry about that. But yeah. So yeah, I need you guys' input. Let me know what you think should be the best thing. Should I put railings back up on this deck, or just leave it open, right? And then just put stairs, gradual stairs, so you just go straight into the yard. All right. So yeah, this is the survey of these bugs. This is the survey of the day, and I hope all my subscribers and all my new subscribers respect. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. I hope you enjoy the content, and you know, you can give me some suggestions too, you know, if you don't want me, guys. I know if you cook, but I know if you cook a lot of things, but there's some things we never cook yet. So if you don't want to suggest certain things, or you don't want me cook too, like, I'm always willing to try. You know, that it only got broaden my horizons. But currently, what I look for is response from all my subscribers on what you think I should do with this deck project. Should I leave it? Should I put the railings back up, or should I leave it open? All right. So I'll be waiting for your answers, right? And I will respond to each and every one of you. But I need your input. So stay tuned. Let me know what you think. All right, and we will communicate through your texts and your comments. All right, so we'll talk soon. Appreciate you. As I say, not a great rise. Give thanks for the blessings, and one love to all. All right, so we'll talk later. Can't wait to see the comments. All right, later, family.